Hi. The time tracking module in Lexzur enables you to efficiently track your time. Whether you prefer manual entry by adding time logs or utilizing the embedded timer inside the system for automatic tracking, we've got you covered. In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging time on a specific matter. Open the matter, navigate to the Time Entries tab, click on the Actions button, and choose Time Entry to record the time spent on a particular activity. When adding time entries from the Matters page, some values, such as type and the matter name, are automatically set. The current date is also pre-filled, but you have the option to choose another date and specify the effort logged in hours. Furthermore, the client name is automatically retrieved from the related matters information. By default, time entries are marked as billable, but you can easily change this by unchecking the billable box. Administrators have the privilege to assign the user related to the time entry and set the user rate. For added convenience, you can also log time automatically using the embedded timer inside the system. Simply choose the type, specify the matter name, select a category, and add comments if needed. Once you're done, you'll have the option to pause or end the timer, and the system will automatically calculate and log the time to the related matter. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.